Congratulations, Dina. How are you feeling after winning a ticket from the government of Rwanda through Minisports? Three people. The first winner. The first ticket winner is Dina Mugawekazi. Dina Mugawekazi, you are going to London or Paris and enjoy the game. Arsenal versus PSG. Dina Mugawekazi, congratulations. Put your hands together for Dina Mugawekazi, the first lucky winner. Congratulations, Dina. Congratulations, Dina. How are you feeling after winning a ticket from the government of Rwanda through Minisports? You're getting air tickets, accommodation. You will be in the Visit Rwanda booth. Wow. Tell us how you're feeling. Tell us how you're feeling.
I feel like I'm so happy. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, most welcome. This is the first winner of the 5 tickets of Ministry of Sports. You get air tickets, you will get accommodation, you will be in the Visit Rwanda booth for the Visit Rwanda experience. Congratulations. Rwanda, and you like? The first winner of 3 foreigners is from Kenya. Let's see. Who is joining? My beautiful lady. Ladies and gentlemen, he is going to Paris. He might go to London. Mr. Rurangwa Jimmy. Okay. Another friend to help us. Toranya. My big uncle from Burundi has picked my goodness. She's been to Madrid and she's going to London. Oh, Paris! Congratulations. Let's go. One last lucky winner. You want to help me? Just come. Come. Let's go. The last lucky winner to attend one of the games of Arsenal PSG winner is Nelly Cherop of Ghana. We kindly request you that please. Others, please go to your seats. We have 5 lucky winners, 2 runners and 3 players. Let's have a program to get a visa because it was on a short notice. The first game will be 29th in London and another game will be on 7th in Paris. If you don't get a chance to get a visa, the government of Rwanda, through the Ministry of Sports, will... Hold on, please don't go far. We need to... The top scorer of Dr. Emma Memorial Tournament. David, please, David. Ladies and gentlemen, the best player, MVP of the tournament is none other than David.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know how happy yes can be. Who would believe
Congratulations, Team Jesus, the week. We're going to please take 1 minute in our hearts.
Oh yeah.
And we still comfort the family. May He continue to watch over us and may His soul rest in peace. We thank you. Yes. To the family of Jeff Lutini, we thank you and may his soul continue to rest in peace. Thank you. Promise, it's okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Let's go back to our seats. Let's go back. The best supporters. They had an accident. They had an accident on their way, but they made it. One person. Others, let's go back to our seats, please. Okay, wanaiganda tubasanyuki denyo. Engineer, thank you. Congratulations. For yourselves, please. To those one who doesn't want to leave tomorrow, it's okay, you can go on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can still... It's Saturday, okay. You don't have to rush. You can please buy some souvenirs. You can please visit places.
That say, thank you everybody. Thank you Africa for having embraced Uganda with due praises. We think we have come from very far to come and grace our country. Hello! Can I have your attention please? Can I have your attention? All the countries participated in this very interesting festival. I would like to thank our partners who have helped a lot to have a very successful festival. And I think everybody, you have really enjoyed this amazing festival. So today was our last day. As we round up this festival, we will have a meeting with the leaders to see who will be our next host. Who do you think can be our next host? Who are you voting for? Are you serious? Are we going to Zambia? Are we going to do this festival? We would like to let you know that Rwanda Arsenal fans community were really happy to host you, and we think you have truly appreciated this country of ours, the country of 1,000 hills. So I thank you everybody for your presence, for your energy, for your vibes. You have made us really proud. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nuko ubwo twarimo dutambukana n'abakunzi bacu twibaza aho dufatira kamwe, Imana ibikoze igitangaza gikurikira ikikana. Twisanze ahantu hadasanzwe. Sibwo buri umwe yicaranye niwe mu mutuzo, ni mutubingaro burimo, maze amahumbezi y'ibiti by'inganzamarumbo bihakikije nk'uko ubibona, agafasha imitoma kwinjira neza. Tugitekereza ku cyo kunywa, twasanganyijwe ibinyobwa by'amoko atagira ingano. Bega we, tumanuye abiri rero, dushaka gucinya akadiho, niko kutugeza mu kabyiniro rushobora kwitiranya na ya Las Vegas barata. Umubiri byaranze, tuti turatashye, bati mwikwigora, aha dufite amacumbi ari ku biciro bito ugereranyije n'ubwiza bwayo. Nirinze kuvuga iby'igikoni kidasanzwe bafite, kuko byatuma nongera kwirya iminwa kubera nyamacoma n'izindi zo mu ifuru utasanga ahandi. Wikwirushya na Google yibaza ngo ahangaha nihe, kuko ni kuri Banza Uruhuke Bar and Restaurant, ni munsi y'isoko ry'Ikabuga, haruguru neza y'ishuri ryo kwa Richard. Ku bindi bisobanuro hamagara 0788 79 268. Ye baba we, mbere y'izindi gahunda, Banza Uruhuke.